Hello everyone, this is Quick, one of the leading brands for cabinet air conditioner. This product is custom designed for healthcare oxygen chamber applications. We design, craft, and integrated their air conditioning components into their cabinet. After manufacturing and test pass, they will be shipped to the clients. So once the clients receive their products, they just need to open the door and install their oxygen generation equipment and pumps and some control systems into their cabinets. The air conditioner will be used for the pumps cooling down and also control the temperature of their whole oxygen chamber. The chamber will provide the end user a very comfortable and oxygen-rich environment. This collaborative design approach with the customer is not only our best practice, but also the win-to-win strategy. And finally, help the customer reduce more than 20% cost. If you have the similar challenge or looking for alternative solutions, please connect to us. I believe Quick will be your best partner.